Deadline missed, hindi daw siya informed. Mali sa report, hindi raw siya gumawa. Conflict sa team, hindi nga ni daw siya kasali. Pero ang tanong, kailan siya magiging responsable? Employees' behavior and attitude issues sa workplace. Let's talk about one of the silent problems in the workplace. Lack of accountability. Ito yung mga taong mabilis sumagot ng, wala po kasi nagsabi sa akin. Akala ko siya yung gagawa. Hindi ko na yan part. Sa iba na yan. Alam mo yung mga ganyan tao, laging may dahilan. Laging may scapegoat. Pero never silang may kasalanan. At kahit na obvious na may pagkukulang siya, deadma, igagaslight ka pa minsan. At ano ang epekto nito? Bumabagsak ang tiwala ng team sa bawat isa. Wawala ang ownership. Yung culture, nagiging palusot culture. Lahat defensive, walang accountability, walang learning at walang improvement. Pero ito ang real talk. Accountability isn't just about being perfect. It's about being responsible. Okay lang na magkamali, pero sana yung may kusa kang umamin, may kusa kang ayusin. Hindi yung lalagpasan mo na lang. Tapos move on like nothing happened. And if you're in leadership, doble ang responsibility mo. Dapat, ikaw pa lang, model na ng accountability. Kasi kung hindi, wag kang magtaka kung ang team mo puro palusot at finger pointing. So next time na may sablay, don't point fingers. Raise your hand because real professionals don't hide from mistakes. They own them. Follow for more.